Hi, everyone. How are you? In this video I will tell you about myself. You will learn a lot of things from me. My name is Cashew. My scientific name is Anacardium occidental. I belong to the Anacardiaceae family, which also includes mangoes, pistachios, and poison ivy. The cashew apple is the fleshy part that grows on the cashew tree, while the cashew nut is the seed that's attached to the bottom of the cashew apple. I originated in Brazil, but am now cultivated extensively in all tropical areas, notably in India and East Africa. Ivory Coast, India and Vietnam are the top cashew-producing countries. I offer several health benefits. I am rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. I also contain magnesium and potassium, both of which support healthy blood pressure levels. The vitamin E in me acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. This helps reduce the risk of chronic diseases and supports overall health. I am a good source of minerals like magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, and copper, which are essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. I contain several B vitamins. B1 thiamine aids energy conversion and nerve health. B2 riboflavin supports skin and cell growth. B3 niacin aids metabolism and digestion. B6 pyridoxine aids brain function. B9 folate is crucial for DNA and fetal development, and B5 pantothenic acid supports energy production and hormone synthesis. Vitamin E and certain B vitamins, like B6 and folate, contribute to a well-functioning immune system, helping the body defend against infections. I also support healthy metabolism and nerve function. Vitamin E in me supports healthy skin by promoting cell regeneration and protecting against UV damage. The copper content contributes to the formation of collagen, a protein important for skin and hair health. I promote hair and nail health. I'm packed with zinc, crucial for male health. My zinc helps sperm quality and production. I'm vital for reproductive health. However, this benefit is not only limited to males, but affects the fertility in females as well. The presence of fiber, healthy fats, and protein in me can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making me a good snack option for individuals with diabetes. I am a good source of monosaturated fats, which can help you lose weight when combined with exercise. My high fat is good, but too much isn't. I have oxalates that might worsen kidney stones. So go ahead, savor my benefits, but remember balance is key. Stay healthy and snack on, my friends. There are 33 different grades of cashew nuts, but only 26 are available for people to purchase. I come in various colors, from pale yellow to light brown, and are encased in a double shell. For example, whites, wholes, scorched, pieces, spotted, splits, etc. Any cashew grade is denoted by 2 or more alphabets followed by a number. For example, OW320 means organic whole 320. W180 is the king of cashew. They are larger in size and very expensive. A W180 grade will offer more nutrition per nut than any other grade of cashew. W210 are popularly known as jumbo nuts. W240, it is an attractive grade, which is reasonably priced. W400 is one of the best quality cashews, but such qualities are usually very expensive and hard to find. The cashew grades of W322 to W450 are the most preferred ones because of their affordability and availability. W320 are the most popular among cashew kernels, and highest in terms of availability worldwide. My tree is evergreen and can grow up to 40 feet tall. My tree produces toxic compounds in their shells, so the nuts must be carefully processed to remove the toxins before consumption. Nutritionists recommend limiting your consumption to 5 to 10 cashew nuts a day. If you are using cashews as a source of healthy fats and protein, you can consume 15 to 30 cashew nuts a day. Cashew milk is a dairy-free option, used in beverages and cooking. The cashew apple can also be made into juices, jams, and chutneys. I am versatile, enhancing the flavors of both sweet and savory dishes. My creamy texture and rich taste make me a valuable ingredient in various culinary creations. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share it.